Hello, I'm Matt and I would like to welcome you to the channel. If this is your first visit to our channel, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you will know when we upload a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make a breakfast sandwich that I used to lose around 130 pounds. I am making breakfast for Melanie and me, and each sandwich is made with 1 egg and 2 pieces of bread with a little bit of salt and pepper. I add what I call Matt's Mix to my sandwiches because I like spicy foods. My spice mix is made of several hot spices that are supposed to suppress hunger and other spices that are supposed to be good for your health. The original recipe for this sandwich can be found in the book Body for Life, though if I remember correctly, he used 2 egg whites and 1 egg yolk. I am not a medical professional and I give no medical advice. My book and videos are intended to inspire you to find a healthier way to live your life with proper advice from your doctors. I coat the egg bowl with extra virgin olive oil, and it is important to leave a decent coating, otherwise the eggs will stick. I use a paper towel to distribute the oil evenly on the bowl. Because I'm cooking these eggs in the microwave, it is very important to thoroughly mix them, because if you don't, they may explode in the microwave and make a mess. I add the salt and pepper to Melanie's eggs before I cook them because she is more sensitive to spices than I am. And then I realize I left the salt in the dining room. With our current microwave, it takes about 40 seconds on high to cook 1 egg. Melanie's breakfast sandwich is made with Dave's Killer Bread, White is Right, thin sliced bread, which is 70 calories per slice. I put her toast in the oven to keep it warm, and then I turn the toaster down because it cooked a little darker than I like. I have command hooks on the side of the microwave to hang the cooking lids in a convenient place that helps me remember to use them. I place Melanie's egg in the oven on top of her toast to keep it warm. Now for my whole wheat homemade toast. My current toast is cut into about 1/4 inch thick slices, which is probably about 80 calories apiece. Thoroughly mixing once again. I put the utensils right in the dishwasher as soon as I'm done using them, so I don't forget to do it or have to do it later. And then I scrape the measuring cup because I don't like to waste food. And then it goes right into the dishwasher as well. Time for Matt's mix. I really do like spicy food. And then of course I forget to put the microwave lid on, after I just got through talking about it. Time to drink a little coffee while the microwave finishes. Into the oven to stay warm. Doesn't that egg look spicy? But I still gotta add my salt and pepper. I almost forgot my other piece of toast. Time to go wake up my sweetheart. I set the oven to 170 degrees so the plates are hotter than I'm going to handle with my hands. So yes, I use an oven mitt, or actually a pair of them. And here are the results of about 8 minutes of my time. We have 2 breakfast sandwiches and 2 cups of coffee. The real time factor for this breakfast is determined by how well you like your toast toasted and how long your toaster takes to get to your desired result. This is a breakfast that I ate to lose 80 pounds the first time I lost a substantial amount of weight, and about 50 pounds using my Deciding for Life system this time, before I switched to eating omelets to add some vegetables to my diet. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you will know when we upload a new video. If you have a question or a suggestion for the channel, please leave a comment in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and may you have an awesome and healthier day.